Good morning. Gosh, the lighting's so bad. I've had some of my friends at my daughter's school ask me what's in my coffee. It's like super frothy and it smells delicious, and so I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me try to get better lighting. All right, watch. This is gonna make such a difference. You guys see this? This right here is a little ring Diva. Isn't that cool? So I'm gonna put it up on my phone, and that gives me more light. All right, I feel like I'm gonna lose you guys on my tripod, but I wanted to come on and I wanted to share with you how I take my coffee in the morning, because everyone's like, okay, wait, you have so much energy. How do you wake up and you're just like already on fire? Well, I sleep really good now, and that's because I've been doing my ketones consistently, not missing a day. So, but how I start my day is depending on if I'm working out first thing in the morning or if I have a whole day of teaching, which a lot of the time I'm teaching through the day. So I start off my day with a really good meditation, and I'm going to share with you what I've been, what my mantra has been lately. I am a manifesting queen. Whatever I think, desire, and then surrender to shows up for me. Faith over fear. And so I say that to myself as I'm getting ready every morning and before I go to bed. And a lot of really cool things are happening. I can't say and what they are right now, but really good things are happening, and consistency is always key. So this is what I do with my coffee. I'm just gonna get right to it because I have kids that I need to get ready out and off to school. Well, one. So I wanna share with you guys this. It's not a secret, but that's what I drink every single day in my coffee. And I'm gonna share with you what's in my coffee. So it comes in a box like this, and by the way, I only paid $6.96 for it. Let me see. $5.94, and then plus the shipping, because I've shared this with you guys before. You share your referral link with 2 people and you get a free box. Okay, so like, hey, no brainer. Okay, so on to this. So this has MCT oil and coconut. All right, the fat combo in this, I'll tell you, I have my notes right here in front of me, is the perfect ratio of C8, C10, and C12 MCT oils, okay? So this provides the maximum mental clarity. That's why my brain's always like, bam, on fire first thing in the morning. So if you guys wanna feel that, right here. Okay, also AC11, DNA repair. So this is like reverse aging, right? So why wouldn't you want that? Skin and all that stuff. Let's see. The N8 bioavailability. Yeah, my brain's on fire. I haven't had my coffee yet. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Okay. The proprietary blend of AC11s and specifically selected vitamin B6 and B12. Let me tell you, the B12 in this is 8,333%. The B6 is 25%, so the combination with calcium that's also in here, it helps with absorption in your body, so it's the best. 4-plex collagen. 4 different types of collagen in this packet. Okay, so let's see. Essential key components of this: pure eggshell membrane collagen, preserved to optimize efficiency. Okay, so this specifically blend of 1, 2, 4, and 5 are the ideal formula to maximize mental and physical performance. So if you're wondering, this is what I take every single morning in my coffee. And if you want all those vitamins, the collagen, the DNA repair, reverse aging, this is it right here, okay? Brain's on fire. So all I do is I put a whole packet in here, and then I have made 8 cups, and I won't drink 8 cups, obviously. I'll tell you what I do with my leftover coffee. So I'm gonna fill up my shaker, and you know what? A lot of people just use their blender, or they have a little foamer, milk foamer. That works great too, but this is a lot quicker for me, especially in the morning when everybody's sleeping. I shake it up, really good. And you know what? So this is like a vanilla flavor. Tastes really, really good. Like a vanilla flavor. We have a nutty one also, but I like this one. And then I also can add my chocolate cacao swirl ketones into this and enjoy it that way too. And then it's more of like a mocha, and it's so flippin' delicious. I just need to get the decaf because this is like caffeine in my coffee and caffeine in my ketones. I'm gonna be like, wow. So that's what I do here. I do not drink this entire thing. I mean, I probably could. Pour it over ice, it's so delicious. And then, or just a warm. So I'll have a cup warm and then maybe when I get back from dropping off at school, I'll pour some over ice and enjoy that. It's so, so good. So I like to make a big batch and just have it in the fridge if I need to, or sometimes I just drink the whole thing. This is probably, what, 20 ounces? So I think 20 ounces is pretty easy to drink of coffee, right? That's it. That's all I have for you guys. I just wanted you to know about the MCT oil and the coconut oil fat combo in what I drink. The AC11, the DNA repair, on a cellular level. You guys need to this is awesome. The 4-plex collagen that's in this thing, awesome. The best top on the shelf collagen that you can consume. And then the NA BioAbility blend. So that's it. Again, I'm a manifesting queen. Ladies, listen. Whatever I think, desire, decide, and then surrender to shows up for me. Faith over fear. Remember that. Say that to yourselves. You guys are amazing. You're so beautiful. And thanks so much for coming on this early in the morning. Now get those kids to school if they're still in school. I have one already out, one still in. So I'm doing this whole crazy mom thing back and forth. I'm still working and I'm still teaching classes. So hey, have an awesome, awesome morning. And I hope to see you guys later on today. Ciao.